Let's practice segmenting with the UptoSix Phonics app.
UptoSix Phonics. Segmenting. Can you spell nib?
Nib. Nib.
Nib. Can you spell hum?
Hum. Every day 5 to 10 minutes with the UptoSix Phonics app and you'll see the difference. Okay? Hum. Ah. Hum.
Hum. Can you spell fun?
Fun. Ah. Fun.
Fun. Can you spell fin?
Fin. Fin.
Fin. Can you spell rust?
Rust. Stretch the word. Is the first sound. S. Rust. Rust.
Rust. Can you spell leg?
Leg. How to write leg? Leg.
Leg. Can you spell plum?
Plum. Plum. Plum.
Plum. Can you spell blonde?
Blonde. What is the first sound? B. Blonde. Blonde.
Blonde. Can you spell unplug?
Unplug. Unplug. What is p? Unplug.
Unplug. Can you spell pod?
Pod. How to write? Pod. P is the first sound. Pod. Dinosaur.
Pod. Can you spell hot?
Hot. Hot. Very easy for us, right?
Can you spell dog?
Dog. Dog.
Dog. Can you spell sob?
Sob. Super easy. Sob.
Sob. Can you spell pump?
Pump. Pump. Pump.
Can you spell flat?
Flat. Is the first sound. Flat.
Flat. Can you spell fan?
Fan. Fan. Fan.
Fan.
Keep practicing, okay?
Can you spell tantrum?
Tantrum. And this will be our last spelling. Tan. Yes. Tantrum. Trum.
Tantrum.
Very good.
Can you spell fungus?
So keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.